Hi guys, welcome to the Driver channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys to this wonderful boom and crash strategy. This strategy is one of the best boom and crash strategies you can be using to catch spike trade boom and crash. Okay, this strategy is used for both spike catching and to take some trend in the market. This strategy I'm going to teach you guys on how you guys can use this strategy to catch spike and also to scalp. Or the second thing I'll teach you guys on how you guys can use strategy to swing trade means that holding your trades for some days or hours, and I'm going to teach you guys the confirmation, which is I'm going to teach you guys the everything you need to know about the strategy, both the confirmation you need before taking any trade, confirmation, and I'm going to teach you guys the entry, and I'm also going to teach you guys the exit area, and the last one I'm going to show you guys is where is your profit target. Okay, where is your profit target, where are you targeting? Okay, so if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification so anytime we post new strategy you to be fully notified, you guys. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you guys to contact us for an account management. We do offer account management, and we are going to manage an account for you, and we can guarantee you guys a daily profits with daily withdraw with our trading system. Okay, so if you are new, don't waste your time on just contact us right away. Contact us at the number you are seeing at the screen. This is the WhatsApp number. Just contact us, then we are going to offer you an account management. Okay, so the account management is somehow simple, and then it's a lovely one. Okay, most of people have been profit make get all their losses back with our account management. Okay, so just contact us for our account management. So with that being said, you can also join our Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel is totally for free. You can also join our Telegram channel. So with that being said, if you want to make, you can see this is a crazy amount being made right here. This is from $3 to 3,000 plus profit. You can see I'm already running to a $3,500 profit with this strategy I'm going to share with you guys today. So with that being said, let's quickly dive into this strategy. Let's quickly dive into the strategy, guys. You can see I'm using just lower loss size, $3 loss size, and yeah, we make crazy profit. So let me show you guys the trade that I took here on Crash 500. I've already used trade for 8 September, and you can see I've already make crazy profit with this strategy. Okay, so now let's quickly dive into the strategy without wasting much of our time. So I will first show you guys the settings you need for the strategy, and then the next thing I'm going to explain everything, the confirmation, your history analysis, and the targets. I'm going to explain everything to you guys today. Okay, so now you don't do now if you want to add your indicator up, this is the icon you're going to go to. That is the icon you're going to go to then. So let me first delete everything up, then we start from scratch. Okay, so now you can see now that I have a clear chart now. I have a clear chart. I'm in 15-minute time frame, so I have a clear chart now. So I go to this icon where it said like, I'm going to add my indicator up. So you are going to go to this F plus. You are going to whenever you want to add your indicator up, so you'll be going to the F plus. Okay, so now I'll be going to clicking on the F plus. Now I'm going to click on the F plus. I'm going to add my Bollinger Band. This is the first indicator we need, which you are seeing right here. This is the Bollinger Band. Sorry. So this is the Bollinger Band. Sorry. So this is the Bollinger Band. So now this is the parameters for the Bollinger Band. And the period is 20. Deviation is 2.000. Shift the 0 apply to close. The star is going to be black. You can choose any style of your choice. Okay, so when you set that up, then click on done. Now you can see that we have a Bollinger Band right now in chart. So now the second indicator we are going to be adding is the heavy loop. We are going to need the heavy loop, but if you want to add the heavy loop up, it's going to be list here in our domain. So to add the envelope up now, we are going to first input our RSI. We don't need the RSI mostly, but we just have to add the RSI up. So the RSI is going to be in our indicator window one. So since you have our RSI in our indicator window one, that's where you are going to add your envelope now. So we are going to be adding our envelope now. Now this is the parameters for the envelope as well. This is the parameter for the envelope. Now the period is 14, shift 0, division is 0.100, method is simple. Apply to close the upper and lower bound. Just choose color of your choice. Then after set everything up, then click on done. Okay, so now I think we have our envelope right in our indicator window, so we let delete this now. So we have our envelope now. Now sorry, now based on the envelope settings, the the parameter is not 14. It's not 14, so the parameter is 100. Okay, so I think yeah, so this is settings for the envelope, this is setting for the envelope, this is settings for the envelope. Yeah, so exactly we have the settings for the envelope now. So now the last indicator we're going to be adding is going to be our moving average. Now this is the moving average, so this is the parameters for the moving average. This is parameter for the moving average. The parameters for the moving average, the period is 5, shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, the style is going to be color of your choice. Okay, so I've set everything up, then click on done. And we have all our settings right here. Now the best method you can be using strategy is to hold trades. That's the best method you can be using strategy is to hold trades. Okay, if you are holding this, if you are already trade, you are going to make a lot of money. But being a scalper as well is a profitable area, but always trade give more profit. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do, guys, now you guys can use strategy to swing trade, which means that you are going to be holding trades. Okay, now so this is what you needed. This is what you need. Now the first thing, now before I take this trade right here, before I take this trade right here, I take this trade right here around here. So this is where I take the trade around here, and you can see the market move against me a little bit, and then start going my favor. Now, okay, so now this is the thing before I enter the trade. Now this is the first thing I need. This is the confirmation you need to take. You need to see before taking any trade. This is confirmation you need to see. Now the first confirmation you need to see, which is, let me add this up. So this is the first confirmation you need to see. Now you can see, yeah, before I remember when I take my trade around here. So when I see that the moving average is reaching the blue envelope line, showing me that the market is going for a downtrend. That is when I take the trade. I don't even have this breaker band before, but I want a sniper entry for you guys. So when this envelope reaching the blue, of the envelope, then I take my entries. Now this is the second confirmation you need to see. Now you have to see that when you see this false touch right here, you can see that when the market spikes to this area, is respecting this zone right here, then shoot back up. Now this is the highest high the market go before it come back. Now when it happens right here, I'm very sure that this market is going for a sell, but eventually we see what's happened. It do go back up a little bit, but not breaking this high right here. Then eventually it come down, broken this low right here, this is the lowest low the market. This is the lowest low the market make before creating the momentum. But this is the candle that's broken. That is when I take my trade. I'm expecting, for a snapper can you are expecting to take your trade when you see the market touching the higher the Bollinger Band, the line of this Bollinger Band right here. Then you are going to hold your trade. Now. Now we're expecting to take a profit when the price reaches the Bollinger Band. But if the moving average is not reaching the red line, you can still hold your trades. Okay. Now that you guys are going to make a strategy for swing. Now what give me the chance of holding this trade? Now some of you might wonder why are you still holding this trade when the price reaching the total line of the Bollinger Band right here, and also the moving average touching the red of the Bollinger Band. Now what give me the chance of holding this trade is that I figure out that the market, I'm expecting the market to go back up, broken this low right here, But eventually, if the price do not now this is what I'm expecting to see for the price to do. Now I'm expecting the price to do like this, but if it eventually come like this, they're not broken this area. Sorry. So and this is what I'm expecting the price to do. This is what I'm expecting the price. This is what this price is doing. Now I'm expecting the price to to shoot back like this, then broken this area. But eventually, if the price did not broke this area right here, if the price did not broke this area right here, and eventually shoot back up, broken this area right here, then I'm going to leave the trade. I'm going to leave it. That's the secret, guys. That's the secret. I'm just giving you the secret for holding trades. Okay. Now you can see where the price shoot back up, come back a little bit with this spike candle, come back area, but it can't do not broken this area right here, and eventually shoot back up, broken this area again. That's giving me a chance that this market is going to continue for a sell. Now since then, I've been holding this trade. Now that is that on that for you guys. Now you guys can use strategy to swing trade. That's all the confirmation you need. Now for the entry, you are going to enter when the price touches this zone right here. That is for a sell. And for a buy, you are expecting the price touches right at this area right here. Okay. Now for the envelope as well, for the moving average and the envelope for a sell, you are expecting the price touches this blue line. And for a buy, you are expecting the price touches this red line. Okay, you need to see that all the entries, all the confirmation is all the confirmation need to be confirmed before you take any entries. Now for the exit, now if let's say you go for a sell now, you're expecting to close your trade when the price reaching this line right here. And for a buy, you're expecting to go when the price reaching this area or this area. Same thing for sell. You can close when the price is in this area or this area. That is for a sell. Okay, now and you have to see that all the confirmation need to be merged here in this envelope as well. You have to see it now. You can see right here. When the price touches this area, the envelope is not yet the moving average. Is not yet touching the envelope. So that is not a clear confirmation. That's not a clear entry. So that you are going to go for a buy when the price touches area as well, touching this red line. Then you go for a buy and take your is this your trade when it reaches the area or this area. So that's for exit. And for your target, you can be using let's say if you can be using money for your target. Now let's say that you open your position and you are expecting that if the price move, like let's say you use one standard lot, and let's say if the price move and profit with a $20, $30, then you are going to leave the trade. So that's for profit target. Okay, so that being said, that is for how you guys can use your strategy to swing trade. Okay, now for the scalping, now same thing I'm feeling for boom as well. Same thing I'm looking for boom. The explanation also for boom. So you know that the boom is going to be at the opposite side. Now for boom, it's going to be in an opposite direction. It's going to be in an opposite direction, which means that we are expecting to sorry what's no two. Now for a boom, you know that we are expecting to see the price. We are expecting to see the price touching the previous band as well, but sometimes the boom normal manipulated. So let's check it right here. Let's check it now. All setup is good, but sometimes on boom is the boom is somehow a little bit tricky because the strategy is it's normally not good on boom. It's normally not good on boom. Now let me for the trade I took here on boom, I will show you guys the explanation so you can see. Now it's not every boom you can be using this strategy. It's not all the boom, but you can be using it here on on boom 500. But let me show you guys how I trade this trade here on boom 300. But this is a clear continuation of a downtrend, just a clear continuation of a downtrend. But see this right here, see this broken right here, and I see that the price is clearly in a downtrend. It's clearly in a downtrend. So now when I trade this trade right around here, I'm expecting to close my trade when the price reaching this area. That's when I'm expecting to close my trade. When the price reaching this area, that is for a to close my trade for a stop loss. Now you can see, but eventually the market keep shooting to the downside. Just a clear continuation of a downtrend, but this strategy mostly used on crash. It's mostly used on crash. So now let's go back to our video. So now to use strategy now for scalping, so now you're going to be using strategy for scalping. You are going to be using your 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. You're going to be using 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. That's time frame you are going to be using. Now let's dive into the 1 minute time frame. Let's use this 1 minute time frame for this sake of this today's video. So you can be using a 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. Now you can see right here, this is what we are expecting. It touches right here and right here. Okay, that's where you are expecting a touch. You can see multiple spike happen right here. So now for a buy, for a scalper, that's for catching spike. Now for a scalper, you can see right here when it touches. Now remember, if you want to take a trade, you are not expecting to go for scalping. When your spike is broken, the line is broken, the bad line. Okay, you are not expecting to take any trades. Okay, you are not expecting to take any trades. So it's when the price when the spike is reaching the bridge bar, not broken it, and you're expecting to go for your buy when it is touching the red envelope. When I was touching the red envelope, so and the bridge bar third line touches as well. You are going to enter right there for your exit. You're going to exit when it touches area or this area right here. That's where you're going to exit. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you guys understand this strategy. This is one of the crazy strategies you can be using. You can see I've already reaching $400 profit. I think I should be closing out now. I'm okay with the profit. I think I'm okay with the profit, so I'll be closing out my trades now. So the profit is already reaching 1,000 from $0 account. So now for those who want account management for those who want account management, you can just contact the number you are seeing at the screen, and you are going to offer you an account management. So this is the process for you to make the right easily. Just going for account management. Okay, just contact us at the number you are seeing at the screen. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join our Telegram channel for free signals. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you love this content. Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification. Later, I put in strategy, you guys should be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.